So I've moved the camera around. You can see I lift this split pin there. That's the one we have to take out. We have to take that pin out and then hold this up. I've got a rod ready. We need to hold that up. So if you can just see if we can. You've lost focus for you there. Hold on, let's have a look. There you go. This won't pull. Gotcha. Right, I've got my finger on the pin. That's fine. Right, pin is out. I've now got to push the pin out. And keep hold of it the other side, whilst holding the rod. Going on the other side of this. Right, pin out. That's off. I've got to get this rod through there. And we're good. Okay, on the bench with the old switch. I have cleaned this up before, I say in the past, but it was 18 or so months ago. So we can test it now. I didn't know you could test it, as I say, until I until I watched Waterhouse Ford. So what the plan is here is that we have the multimeter on continuity. And we should get a buzz. Right, okay. This might be a bit awkward, but we'll try it. You want to connect those two onto the poles. And there. Then press this button. We're getting it. So the switch is working. See that? So the switch is working effectively. This could go back on, but I bought the new one now. I bought the new strap that goes from that's the positive terminal, from there to the starter motor. So I'll go and grab a cup of coffee, roll a cigarette, and come back out with a new switch on the ear strap. Be right back. So just to explain why I'm replacing that cable, that's the cable that goes to the starter motor there. That's one of the reasons why. So I've got a new one, brand new one. So on with it. Let's just move the voltmeter out of the way. So here we have the new strap. that'll go on. And here is the starter switch. Now there's the old one, here's the new one. There's light for light. I will keep the old switch obviously because I've kept everything off this tractor that was original on it. I've replaced a lot of stuff on it, and that's why once it's all done I'll be getting the painting done. This plate, I thought I'd have to transfer something from this to this, but I was wrong. It's just that's the hole, the slider where that pin goes through. So you put the split pin there, and we got that connector there, and that goes and pressures that. Now I suppose we best just quickly test this one. That's much more, that's almost instant. See that? Maybe moves a millimetre. Plenty of travel there. That is excellent. That is what we want. That's going to be so much better instead of jumping off. Get the jumper cable and putting it across from the battery to the starter motor. But I can't do any more until I get some gasket paper. So I'm going to have to make a gasket for that because it didn't come with a gasket. I thought it would, but it didn't. I do have some gasket paper here, but I think it's too thick. That's the gasket paper, that's the thickness of it. It's got to be a couple of millimetre. I think that's too big. I think it's too thick. So I have to go to town tomorrow to get a few things. So I'll be getting this gasket paper and we'll see how it goes from there.